2018 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, fog lights, power windows, security system, CD player, electronic stability control, trip computer, compass, bed liner, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm, sport package. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.